Hey friends, Aaron here from WYRE. If you know me, you know what WYRE is doing. I've been involved in writing quite a few MCP servers for the MSP community. So if you're an MSP, what we're going to talk about today on this quick run to the grocery store uh, is going to pertain directly to you. And so if you're using AI tools in your business, you probably already know this, but for those of you who are new to using AI tools and you need your AI tools to get access to things like your ticketing system, your remote management system, your knowledge base, the best way to do that is through MCP. So MCP is Model Context Protocol. And really, what I want to chat about is just a quick few ways that you can run MCP servers. And this includes the ones that we've built and we've put out as open source MCP servers. So you can run them as Docker containers. If you're a Windows admin and you spent most of your career working on Windows systems, you might not be as familiar with Docker, and that's okay. Windows can run Docker containers, so that's not a big deal. Um, Another way that you can run them are as individual packages. So a lot of MCP servers, especially ones that were created a while ago, if you go and you look at their docs, you'll see something like NPX dash, and then fill in a whole command line. And you run them locally, right? So if you're running this as a Docker container on your system, or you're running an MCP server through a command like NPX or UV, if that particular MCP server uses Python, it's going to be running locally. More and more MCP servers are being run as endpoints that AI tools can authenticate against using something like OAuth. And so, what's the advantage here? So if you are running your own MCP servers and you've deployed them on your laptop or workstation using NPX, UV, Docker containers, or there's also MCPB packages, which you can download and run inside of Claude. Those are great, but nobody else on your team has access to them. And why this might be problematic is that usually you're not the only one using AI tools. I guarantee you, other folks in your MSP are going to want to use those tools. They're going to want to take advantage of connecting their specific instances over to whatever MCP server you've deployed. So really, you're looking at deploying those on some sort of hosted service. You can use any cloud hosting service you want at this point to deploy an MCP server. The kicker is that that MCP server has to be capable of doing HTTP streaming. So MCP servers historically started off with STDIO mode, which was basically, hey, we're going to run this locally and we're going to take whatever input we get and we're going to output results. And that was fine for a time, but more and more folks have wanted to take advantage of HTTP streaming, which came about in the protocol. And the advantage there is, I am breaking out of this local environment that I am running these in, and I'm making it capable of accepting requests from other people on my team. Or if I'm running a business, maybe I am letting my customers connect to it. So that's a thing. And really, what running an MCP server in HTTP streaming mode allows you to do is it allows you to put that endpoint behind something that gives you some better control and governance. Now, what we've done with our MCP servers at WYRE is we've put them into a gateway. We call that gateway Conduit. There's a bunch of different MCP gateways out there. Docker itself also functions as an MCP gateway. They have their own registry that you can pull MCP servers down from, and it runs them locally, but that's really only a local gateway. Um, but yeah, I'm here at the grocery store, so I'm going to stop chatting. But if you have questions about deploying MCP servers, specifically any of the ones that WYRE has published, feel free to reach out to me and I'd be happy to chat more.